Hello classmates, welcome to my channel. Please like and subscribe my channel. Uh, Today we are talking about technology and culture, human 344 class. Today I chose a video about a Snapmaker A350, a 3-in-1 3D printer made by a Snapmaker. I purchased this uh, device recently. Uh, you can do three things on this device. You can do laser engraving, CNC engraving, and a 3D printing using the three different heads like you see. This technology is interested because it will be a significant change once developed and being used widely. Uh, it will change probably the same height as AI. The 3D printing technology will change, will transform this society. That's why I chose this topic, and I'm very interested in it, learning how to do 3D printing. It does require a lot of coding. It's called G coding specifically. Um, well, when you're dealing with laser, make sure you are putting a safety glass because laser is dangerous. It's not good for your eye. It's very dangerous. So make sure if you are using any laser, don't don't directly look at laser. So if you're working with 3D printing or laser printing, make sure you are using protective glass. So today I'm gonna print the HUMN 344 later. I wrote that in Snapmaker Luburn software. So, and I loaded it into the machine. Now I'm starting to print that on a white piece of paper. Uh, like you can see, it's ready to start, and it's going. Started now. The way print is the way laser apply the printing is by burning uh, the paper depend on how deep you set it. So this is a small, very light piece of paper, so it may burn through. But if you're using like a thicker structure, it may burn just to show the uh, letters. So it's almost finishing up. Still printing. This will have a technological impact, a political impact in our future, just like we learn through the tomato harvesting. It may take away small mom and pop stores, businesses away from the community, and well-educated people can mass produce a lot of things using 3D print. Uh, for example, one thing they are working on in medical field, how to print the human organ. That's in a process. They use 3D printing to read about the X-ray, CT scan, MRI, a lot of things. they are using. So enjoy. Hopefully you are enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. See you on my next class and my next video. Thank you.